In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Learn More option with pop-up in Wix. Let's get started. First, you want to make sure you were on the exact website that you want to work on. To check that, you want to go to the left-hand side. On the top, click on the drop-down, and the site title, make sure it matches the check mark. Now, beside the dashboard, you want to click on Design Site. Now, we want to add a Learn More option with pop-up in Wix. To do that, what you want to do is to go to the left-hand side and add elements. On elements, you want to hover your mouse until you see interactive. Now, I think subscribe is the safest option to use since it is similar to Learn More options. So you just want to just drag and drop this one, and it will open as a lightbox. Now, to edit this, you want to go to the text and then just edit this to Learn Morphiness. And then when you want to make a specific trigger in which whenever they click sign up, it's gonna change them to a different website. But on Lightbox mode, what you could actually do is you want to go to set triggers and make sure that this is automatically displayed on pages, and you can select which pages do you want this Lightbox to be displayed. Then I want to do it on home. I mean, the first page in which visitors see, that's the better one, but I think it's more appropriate on home, about, and contact. Now, I want to make the delay in about like 5 seconds and add a close button here, but the X icon is much more appropriate right about here. So let's try and preview this one. We added a delay for about 5 seconds. That's about it. That's how to make Learn More option with pop-up in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.